Okay. Okay, go ahead, Sean.
This was I created last day.
Okay. So let's go through one by one, okay? Um, Steps we have here. Hey, Chris, 1 second, okay.
Mhm.
Anish,
Right.
hey, so it's your first day, right?
Yes, it is. It is.
Yeah, so do you want to give a quick intro?
Yeah, I certainly can. Hi, Jay. Yes. I'm currently. So the name is Chris. Yeah, currently working as a project manager, in a public sector organization. But I'm currently looking to transition to becoming a BA. Hence the reason I saw your information online. I thought I'd just join as well. So I'm just looking to transition into becoming like a business analyst. Yeah.
Okay, thanks, Chris. Okay, by the way, I'm recording because I cannot accommodate all the students, so I'll
Yeah. Yeah.
upload on it. So
Do,
um,
do, do you share the video after Jay as well? Do you share us this information as well for us to go through as well?
yes, I uploaded yesterday one, and I will upload this one also so that other students could also, because we are
Okay.
starting from scratch.
Ah,
Um,
brilliant.
yeah, so that's why. So I have other side, Sean. So we started, I think we did 2 sessions already, but we didn't do much. We're just starting from scratch, so you can
Okay,
follow
fine,
up
fine.
on.
Yeah. Is
Okay.
there a Google Drive to get the information as well? Or?
No Google Drive. Okay, let me see. Okay, what material I can. There's no material, like I'm just trying to see based on the person what
All right.
actually
Okay.
need.
So,
Yeah.
so sorry to jump in there. So the recording for the link will be shared with us, everyone on the chat, is it? So that, or how do we
Yeah.
get it?
It's available on YouTube always after
Ah,
that.
right. Okay. Okay. Fantastic. Brilliant. All right. Okay. Thanks, Jay. Thanks.
Okay. So what we did the first day, we learn how to write test cases, okay? Because the
Mhm.
main important things for BA, writing user story. So
Yes.
writing user story is sometimes it's very easy for some project, but some projects it's very critical if it
Mm.
comes to back-end related work. So that's why I wanted to start from test cases writing. So Sean
Okay.
completed successfully how to write test cases. So while he's working, I'll also show you how to write test cases. But Sean,
Okay.
yeah, would you mind just go to Jira, just show Chris one more time
Yeah,
what
sure. I'll do it.
Okay. So, Chris,
Yeah,
do
it's
you
the first test
familiar
case.
with Jira and Confluence?
Yes. 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 I'm familiar, but I need to. A bit rusty, but I need to get myself up to speed again. So
Okay.
yeah.
So, Sean, would you mind just go to Google and just show him like very quickly so that we can take. So just go to Google. S- How do you open the Jira? Just show him. That's it.
Okay.
So just go to Google here. Just type Jira. You can use
Yeah.
your, yeah, click that one here. You can use your Gmail account.
Hmm.
Uh, so Sean already have an account. Have an account mean he already logged in with Jira. So that's why he's saying welcome his name. Okay. So you can
Okay. Yeah.
also do the same thing. Go
Yeah.
to Google, just type Jira login and type your sign in with your Gmail account. And now you can go to Jira, Sean. Yeah.
Okay. No problem. We'll do. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, so once you come to here, Jira, there are two things you have to remember. One is the backlog, one is the board. So I'll be talking about board and the backlog. So board mean, Sean, can you please click on the board? Okay, so board mean the current sprint. So current sprint mean sprint is a shorter period, like typically 2 weeks we consider as a sprint. Sometimes some teams have three weeks. Oh, I don't know. I haven't heard any teams having 1 week sprint, but standard is two, 2 weeks. Okay. So can you go back to backlog now?
Yeah.
Okay. So here in backlog, so here is the place you hang around and create your user story. So we created, can you click the create button, Sean, just to show the issue types? Yeah. Can you click the drop down? Okay. So here you can see there are 4 type of issues are there. One is epic. Epic is the high level. Story is the functionality or feature level. And we have bug. Bug mean if something functionality is not working as expected, we log as a bug. Another one is a spike. Spike is a investigation task. And we have also task there. If testing not required, we use task. Okay, so these are the issue types. And I have some videos you can watch later on and you can get it. Okay, so here, the first item, we created some test cases. So now, Sean, can you open one of your test cases? This exercise you can also do. Yeah, just open one of your test cases here. So this is a template. Sean, can you copy and paste this exactly the same thing in the chat so that Chris can have also. Okay,
Yeah.
so I'll just go to top a little bit. Okay, yeah, the test case I want to.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so what he did, because we cannot write requirement, Chris, if you don't know the software. Okay, so always we have to see something, we need to click, because most of the time you have to create mockups, most of the time you have to write instruction, acceptance criteria. So the better practice is you have to learn how to write test cases. Okay, so test cases is nothing but it's how to reproduce the issue. So here example, what we did the first day, we created a Gmail account. Okay, so this Gmail account, what are the steps are involved? That's what we did. Okay, so you see, title, email account creation. The test data precondition mean what is exist before, like maybe you should have a stable internet connection or you have a laptop or something, right? So those are the precondition. Test data, here for us, the test data is email and password and username and other stuff. So steps to reproduce. So how did he open this account? That's what you need to capture here. Open the browser and go to the Gmail sign up page, click the create account, enter the first name, last name, enter the username, enter the password and confirm. So pretty much whatever you see on the screen, you have to record it here. Okay, so that's how you steps to reproduce. So action, create account. Can you here create account, next skip add recovery mobile, save, next I agree. So these are the steps he followed and he has written here. An expected result, email account should be created. That's one. Okay, actual result, and once your email is created, and here your actual result email should be open or redirected to the inbox. Status is pass. Okay, so when you executed a test case, we want to know what is the actual result, whether it's pass or fail. So your case is pass. So this is one example, this template. Okay, so you can create many test cases until you're comfortable. Like you can open a Gmail account, you can open a Hotmail account, you can open any social media account, Facebook or whatever online platform you have. You can you can continue open, you can write test cases. And the second step, did you capture a screenshot, Sean? I think once you master on how to write test cases, can you show me with the screenshot? Okay. So what I told him, after you write the step and capture a screenshot and attach here. Okay. So that's the second step. You see, it's not only, it's like a user manual. You have seen user manual, right? It's the same
Yes.
user manual. Um, you have to capture this one because this is very handy, very useful when you are writing uh, user stories, BRDs, and other stuff. So you are just learning. Instead of you are learning the theory, you are just doing and capturing. So now you know how to write test cases. So two things. First, write um, test cases for any use case you like: email sign up, email login, online account sign up, student portal sign up, whatever the platform it's you like it, you just come in the Jira, create one user story or task, just recorded this one. And second step, capture with the screen. Okay. That's it. Pretty much we did. Now, second, once we log into Jira, so we practice this one using Jira. And next, yesterday we registered a Confluence page. So Confluence page, you are aware, it's nothing but it's the collaboration tool. Collaboration means like
Yes.
documentation. So pretty much you record your all project related work here. So the moment your project start, you can capture your meeting minutes and you capture your project flows and diagrams and you name it, business rules and everything. So so slowly today we are going to learn how to do a diagram. So yesterday we start with the process mapping. So process mapping is very important when you are writing requirement, capturing the current state. The first one, current state as is. Second one, from the current state, what is the expected solution? That's a future state. Okay. So now what Sean did for the process mapping, I usually do these three steps. One is the first column is steps, and second one entity, and third one is action. So step is, it's always good to have how many steps involved. Entity is who is involved. Like it can be a system component, application component, maybe a API or microservice or database or front end or back end or any system component or actual user. So you understand is user is nothing but who use the software, right? Like you can call as some company call as client, some companies calling as customer, but in software development, we call as a user. Okay. So the same email opening account, he has written the format, the process mapping format. So you can see, can you open your test case for the test case you used here, Sean? Okay. Okay. So here you see the steps to reproduce. Open
Yeah.
the browser and go to the Gmail sign up. Now, can you navigate Confluence? Okay. So here you see he has written entity is the user. Okay. And he's written here, open the browser and go to email sign-in page, right? So pretty much step to reproduce, you write like you are sitting beside with the, like let's say you want to map the current business process. So either you have to be with a call with a stakeholder, like maybe you are building software for customer care, or maybe you are building for a restaurant owner, or whatever business process, you have to be on call with the person, or you can go directly and see how their workflow. So workflow is nothing but it's like detailed steps. Detailed steps mean it's a recipe, kind of a recipe. So if you want to prepare any food, you have a recipe, right? You follow detailed steps. Like it's like an
Yeah.
algorithm for the computer program. The developers would algorithm. So algorithm is nothing but it's a detailed step. For us as a BA, your algorithm, your recipe is business process. So you don't change anything. You just capture, you just document what is happening today. So that's why you have to conduct like a small meeting or like a workshop or job shadowing session, go and meet the business owner, ask, hey, is that okay if I work with you like 1 hour or like half an hour? I just want to see what you guys actually do. Instead of they explain to us, if you watch and record the steps, this will be more efficient, okay, to capture the current state. So that's what Sean did. Do you guys have any
Yeah,
questions?
JK.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I have one doubt while doing this.
Sorry, go
Should we
ahead.
use these words like this continue or this click next? What exactly we write in the test cases, or can we skip that navigation step in this process mapping?
No, process mapping also you have to write like, let's say you flip this one to a new person. Okay, so who doesn't know? Let's say we are going to build a software for a medical office or doctor office. Okay, so you already analyze, you do a job shadow with the office people, and you are flipping over to Chris this one. Okay, so can he understand after he read your process mapping? So you can write the detail as much as you could. So it doesn't matter how do you write it, but you have to write detail. Who is doing what? So always remember who does what. Who will go to entity and action will go does what. So you can write short sentence, but detailed steps. Yes,
Okay,
Chris.
okay.
Yeah, your hand is right.
Yes, thank you so much for that, Sean and the Jay. So this you said you sit with the stakeholders to understand the current Aziz process. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So is that because I was reading some manuals, is that eliciting information is when you are eliciting information is you're trying to map out the process for the current for Aziz, yeah? Is that elicitation you talked about there? Is that how you get the understanding of the current process Aziz? Yeah? Is that elicitation?
Absolutely, that's right. Because this is your one of the BA skills. Okay, like when you go to a business owner, when you talk to a stakeholder, like they don't understand like technology terms, they don't understand software things, right?
Mm,
So they tell, okay, we need a website, we need an app or something. They will high level, they will tell to
mm,
modernize or like digitalize their workflow. Okay. So what
yeah.
is the workflow they're manually doing? Like every business has a workflow. So it's like a recipe, right? Like you go to a restaurant, they, let's say they are selling burgers and coffee, so they have a workflow. Okay, customer enter to their shop, they greet the customer, and
Mm-hmm.
they will ask how can I help you, and they will show the menu, and they take the order, and the order go to kitchen prepare the order, you take here, accept the payment, debit or cash, and you deliver. So very simple step, but they know because the business owner and the people are who working their SME on that, right? Like because we don't
Yeah.
work for restaurant, we don't work for doctor office, we don't work for them. But what we try to do, we try to digitalize their manual workflow. So in order to prepare a digital solution, because we pretty much have to write this instruction inside the computer program, right? Like algorithm. So to
Mm,
prepare the algorithm, you have to capture the manual flow. But if you ask a business person, hey, can you tell me how your process work? Like they will tell, okay, these are the things, this is how work. But there is chances you might miss the steps. There are chances they
mm,
didn't tell the nitty gritty things, right? But when you map it like this one chart, right? Like we call as process mapping, right? With the
yeah.
detailed steps and entity
Mm,
and action.
mm,
So you can, after you prepare, you can just send it to them. Hey, this is my understanding based on our job shadowing or like a
yes.
working session with you. Can you please confirm, did I miss any steps? So they will go one by one. Oh, no, there is a small step you are missing. Sometimes
Mm,
the stock is not available. We tell the customer, can I give something else? Oh, yeah, we should capture that one, right? So always your strategy. So this is the strategy. You can drive them to get the current process, right? Like
Yeah.
you can tell this is more efficient because you know what exactly you are looking for them, right?
Mm.
So, yeah, that's very important to capture the current state, creating a process flow.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jay. Thank you.
Thank you. Sean, yeah, do you have any other questions?
No, Jay.
Okay, so can I see your other process flow also, which you created?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so sign in, you did user, open the browser, go to Gmail account. So maybe you can write like this, right? User opens browser, like that. It's okay as long as someone can understand. So here you have to slightly change, like you are sitting with a business stakeholder and you are following the steps. That's how you have to document this one. Okay. So you are watching someone is doing, or like you are doing and you are documenting here. Okay. So just you have to just change the sentence the way you are like watching some workflow and you are documenting like that. Okay. Okay, so can we go to the third one? Okay, user, open the browser and go to Printers official website, sign up and provide your email ID. Provide, okay, user provide. Okay, fantastic. Okay, so Chris, I expect you also tomorrow we can review your one. So let first write some test cases like what Sean did in Jira, and then sign up for the Confluence. Confluence also very easy, just type Confluence, or like you can come through Jira. Yeah, so if you need, I can send you some video you can watch and sign up. Otherwise, let me
I
know.
should be, yeah, it should be. Thank you, Jay. I will look on YouTube and I should be fine to sign up today. Yeah.
Okay, no worries. Okay, so you do this one. So now the next step, once we capture the current state, so we don't know what is the future state because you are not providing any solution yet. Okay, because the solution should be prepared by uh, including the tech folks, right? The design phase, we work with designers. Okay, UX mean the front end designers, the solution architect. These are the two people, and also the tech lead. Tech lead mean the senior developer. So we all sit together. We discuss, hey, this is the current process, and we need a digitalized process or digital solution. We need automation. How to prepare this one, right? So we sit with them and we discuss and we come up with a digital solution. So since we don't know the future state, so the next step, can we plot in a diagram this one, right? So let's capture this one in a diagram. So we are going to use, in a production environment, we use, I don't know, 4 or 5 years, like many years we have been using Microsoft Visio. Okay, so Visio is, I don't think so, it's a free version. Instead of Visio, we can use MIRO, a tool called MIRO. There are some other lot of tools are available. You guys use whatever you prefer, but for you for this demo, we can use MIRO. Okay, so Sean, just go to the Google and type MIRO. Yeah. Okay, that's the one. Yeah. Click this one. Use your Gmail account to sign up. Yeah. Login. Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
yeah. Because when is the next class tomorrow? Is it the same time or?
Yes, same time. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
If I can, I'm going to do the test cases today. I'll log into Jira, get myself set up. Because at the minute, Jay, sometimes I do work, so I
Yeah.
just wanted to clarify that if I can't make it, I will always try to join. But yes.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, I will upload also. So if you cannot make it, that's okay, no
Yeah.
problem.
Yes.
I think we have logged it.
Okay. Tell about your team. Just type whatever name you want to give. What is your team name? Yeah, just give
I
any.
have already given that name. Yeah,
Okay, yeah, no problem. This is a different tool. You can
choose an option.
whatever the option. Yeah, just click. Yeah, first time, right? Education. Yeah, just use education.
Can I skip this? Okay.
Yeah, I saw there was an option education. So if you have select that one,
Yeah,
click the education. Otherwise, just provide something. Yeah, that's okay. Just click continue. That's okay. This is not a big issue. Okay, skip for now. Skip. Okay. So we can, you see it's saying MIRO board. So we call as MIRO board. Okay, you can just exit. You see there is it's welcoming, right? Can you click that X button so that you can get the clear here on the, hey Sean, what are you working today? There is a X button on that. Yeah.
okay.
Okay, perfect. So this call is going to end within 10 minutes. I will just show you the basic diagramming and you guys can do it by yourself and we can review tomorrow. Okay. So here left side,
Yeah,
you can see this is your tools. Okay, Sean. Not that one. Just bring, you see after T. Yeah.
yeah.
So click that one. These are the basic shapes. Okay. So the basic shape, um, you start with like a process. Okay, so you see the first two squares you can use for steps. Okay, and if you
Okay,
have, yeah, the diamond is the logic. You see the third fourth one, that's a logic. Let's say you give some data, give some input to system. If you are waiting for a decision, you can use this logical diamond. So these are the two we basically use. You see there is a circle in between this one. You can use one like eclipse. This one you can just drag this one. Can you drag this? Yeah, just okay. So you can just make it like a eclipse, like give little press on the top and bottom. No. So just click that one. You see, yeah, in middle. Right, that's right. Okay. So here, this we use this one. Can you write start? Start.
sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Can you copy this one and put it one for same Eclipse? Same. Can just right click and copy. When you select, yeah, press Control C and Control V.
okay.
Not the
Sorry.
start. I want the,
Whole thing, right?
yeah. All right. Otherwise, you can just click, yeah, Control Z. Then it will go inside. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And click the right arrow there. You see the right arrow there. Okay. Just start. Stop.
Stop.
Yeah. Stop.
Okay.
Okay. So can you drag this one little up? Yeah, beside the start. No, up, right, right. Yeah. Same line next to start. Right side, pull to the right. Down, little bit down. Yeah. Down, more down. Yeah. Bring to next to
Here?
start. Yeah.
In front.
Yeah,
In
okay.
front.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we have different connectors. Okay. Like, can you place your mouse on the start? Okay, click
Okay.
that one. So you see there is a right blue color dot, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's yeah, click that one. So that
Okay.
we call as a connector. Okay, so you have straight connectors, you have these curly connectors. Okay, so you
Yeah.
can use these connectors to connect one element to another element. Okay, so pretty much beginning of a process, you will use start and stop this one. Okay, so the next one, can you go to your tools?
Yeah.
Tool, yeah. So here, drag one shape, square or rectangle, both if you want. Yeah. Okay. Okay, keep there. And can you grab one rectangle? That one. Yes. Okay. So either way, write steps inside this one. Steps. Okay. So this one also steps. Okay. So can you grab one diamond? Okay. Okay. So here you will write logic or decision, business rule, anything fine. Logic, yeah, logic, yeah, the decision. Okay, perfect. Okay. So yeah, if you want, you can have one more. So that's okay. So these are the basic um, building blocks you will use when you are diagramming. Okay. So now let's prepare your one business process mapping into a diagram. So scroll down. No, down. Yeah, because we need an empty area. Scroll down. Or up wherever it's empty is here. Okay. So now go to your business process mapping, the first one. No, not this one. Your Confluence page.
Okay.
Okay.
Process mapping.
Yeah, first one. First. Okay. So here, for what the user is doing, open the browser, right? Okay. So now go to your Confluence page. Sorry, not the Confluence, the MIRO. MIRO. Okay. The first step, you can start, use one start.
Can't able to drag.
Yeah, copy and drag. Yeah, just copy one. If you, yeah, or you can take it from the tools also. Just paste it somewhere in an empty place.
What to do now?
Yeah, so we just start. So we need one. Yeah, copy that one
Okay.
and placed it somewhere in left, wherever empty. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So now they write your first process start, right? Leave start there. Okay. And now grab one rectangular or like whatever you prefer. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So now your first step is you can write,
Open.
yeah,
Yeah.
user, yeah, open browser and user opens browser. You want to copy everything? Okay. Yeah. We don't write much detail there, but for the first time, you can just paste it. Yeah. Just paste it. No problem. Can you make it a little bigger because we cannot
Yeah.
see? Yeah.
Yeah. So that one, Jay, can we
But
just say open browser? Yeah.
Yeah. The left side. You want to drag it to left side, then only we can see. There is
I
scroll
can't able to drag
scroll
it.
scroll
If
bar.
it
You
I
see the
do,
bottom. There is a scroll bar.
Yeah, at the bottom. Yeah, I can
You
see a
see a
scroll bar.
scroll bar.
okay, it
Yeah,
was hidden.
No. Yeah. There. Yeah.
that's it. Yeah.
Only to left.
Yeah, that's it. Yes, and up now. Yeah, I think it should be on the side. Yes, that's it.
There's a scroll bar also on the right.
On the side. On the side. Yeah, on the right. Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Okay.
Is it good now? Yeah.
Yeah. So now you can put a connector there from start to your next step. So start. Yeah. Just click on the start button. Start. Yeah. You see the blue color dot? There is a right. Yeah. Connect that one. Yeah. That's right. That's right.
Okay. Yeah.
We can modify later. So
Yeah.
now click on the rectangular, the second one, second step. No, there. So click the right one. Yes, that's click that one. Click. Okay.
Perfect.
So
Yeah.
now you put your second step here. Go to your process map.
All right.
Okay. Create the
Create
account.
the account.
Yeah.
Okay.
Paste there. Okay.
Mm.
Continue doing this one until the end. But this is more detail, but we have to refine it. Okay. The first day it's okay. Okay. Continue doing. Paste the next step, Sean. Click that one. Paste. Until you all the steps complete, you keep on doing it. Okay?
Enter first and
It
last
should
name.
be one by one, right?
Yeah, one by one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So when you are expert, like this is you are just beginner, right? When you create, we don't write much text there. We just straight away, okay, user, open browser, click create account, enter data, something like that. So we can make shorter, we can refine once you learn this one. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Enter username.
Yeah. So this is your diagram. So guys, the time is going to end.
Okay.
Just practice this one. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay.
Tomorrow. Thank you so much. Yeah,
sure.
Sean.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
See you tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys. Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Sean. Bye, Jay.
Bye, Chris. Yeah.
Sean.
Yeah.
Do you have an email or WhatsApp? Can I, so that me and you can can connect?
Yeah, I'll put it on the chat box.
Please, yeah, or WhatsApp or email, yeah. Because where are you? You're in the